I'm just trying to get my Michael Jackson on, dude. Are you, why are you waiting at the door with the gun? Hey! Stop! You play Oh, I'm about to go thriller on you, dude. Oh, great. Suburban's closed now. Now I can't get no fresh threads.
Oh, you can't get no threads because I killed you? Damn,
no, it
that
needs to
sucks.
get you home.
Ooh, you motherfucker! That's alright, that's alright. Oh, that's alright. No, it's cool. You stuck machine guns me.
Off my outfit.
Okay, no, go ahead. I'm gonna let you finish getting your outfit right for your funeral, bitch.
You and your bike.
Yo, man, I fucked up the bike though.
Good.
Oh shit, cops is after me. Hurry.
Good.
Alright, we're finally doing the
Alright.
mission in this bitch. What is this
Yes,
called?
sir.
Steal the tanker. We gotta steal the
San
tanker.
Andreas Seal. Look, hey.
What?
Look, we gotta steal. We gotta steal a tanker.
I'm
Alright,
doing this.
oh,
Oh shit!
Okay.
We good, man.
We good.
Oh,
Alright, so we finally doing a mission.
Yeah,
How's
about
you
time.
cruising?
It's about time,
Balling.
JD. Every time I want to do a mission, you start shooting and shit. See, this is your fault.
Get the fuck out of
Right.
here.
It's your fault, man.
Yeah,
every time,
fucking
I'll tell you every gameplay. JD, let's do some missions. Nah, man, let's just kill each other. I'm like, JD, why I gotta be like that?
That's true. That's all me. I'm just like, yo, F that. You dead.
It's all you like Dre. Doing them in on me. I don't know. It's all okay.
Alright, here we go. So we gotta get that. I'll drive it.
Yeah, this
like
is
right
too
behind
slow
me.
to lose the cops, man. This is ridiculous.
Hey, this is part of the mission. Maybe if you get out of the car and get like a higher wanted level, I can lose them, and then you lose
that
them.
sounds real fucked up, but alright, I'm gonna do it.
You want me to park the car?
Nah, I'm gonna just jump out of this bitch. That's
I'll
my car right
just push your
there.
ass out the
Here
car.
we go.
There you go.
Oh shit, they're about to shoot me. They're about to kill me and shoot me. Oh my god, yo. That better didn't work out.
So take over.
Wait, hold on. Take over what?
Take over.
Take over the what, the truck?
Like, no, like, try to get them off me.
Man, fuck that. I'm trying to save my life. Hold on, sir, let me get your vehicle. What happened to the cop? What the fuck is that? Yo, I got into an undercover cop car, motherfucker. He shot me. What? I never seen that shit.
Hey, don't die too many times, because when you die during mission, you lose lives.
Man, alright. Who the fuck is this dude sitting in the car?
I'm about to lose him.